Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Tesla Model S door handle. First, ensure your vehicle is powered off and the 12-volt battery is safely disconnected. You will need a trim removal tool, a T25 Torx bit, and a 10mm socket. This guide will walk you through the process, from accessing the door panel to installing your new handle. Let's get started with the preparation steps. To begin, gently pry off the interior door panel trim pieces using your plastic trim removal tool. Work slowly to avoid scratching the finish. Once the trim is off, you will find several screws holding the main door panel. Remove these screws and carefully detach the panel, disconnecting any electrical connectors like those for the window switch. This exposes the internal components, giving you access to the handle mechanism. With the door panel removed, you will see the two 10mm bolts securing the handle assembly. Use your socket wrench to loosen and remove these. Next, carefully disconnect the electrical connector that powers the handle's automatic extension and retraction. Once the bolts and connector are free, gently slide the entire handle assembly straight out from the door. Take care not to force it, as internal cables are still attached. Now, carefully slide your new door handle assembly into the opening, ensuring it aligns correctly. Reconnect the electrical connector firmly to the new handle. Then, reinsert and tighten the two 10mm bolts to secure the handle in place. Before fully reassembling the door panel, it is crucial to test the new handle's operation. Power on the vehicle and check that the handle extends and retracts smoothly. Once confirmed, reattach the door panel and trim.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.